Hello everyone, this is Swami. Welcome to Code by Swami. In the previous video, we discussed and implemented bean scopes concept using XML approach and annotation approach also. In this video, we are going to understand field injection in Spring Framework. First of all, what is field injection? Here, the process of injecting dependent class object into target class object using target class field or variable called field injection. I can introduce @autovoid annotation also. Here, mainly the goal of @autovoid annotation is to perform the dependency injection. Okay, we can see practically. Let's move to Eclipse IDE and we'll implement the code. Let's move. File, new, Maven project. Click here for standalone application. Next, give the group ID com.code by Swami. Artifact ID I am giving field injection app. I'm changing version 1.0. Click finish. Yes, project is created. Open the project, pbom.xml file. Here I am adding dependency stack. Here I want to add Spring context. For that, go to browser. I am using Chrome browser. Search with mvnrepository.com. Search with Spring context. Click here. I am selecting latest version 5.3.13. Copy the dependency. Go to the project and paste inside the dependency stack. Above the dependencies, I am using Maven compiler plugin Java 8, Apache plugin. Let's copy this. Add above the dependency stack. Let's align the code. Let's close it. Update the project. Alt F5 is the shortcut to update the project. Okay. See, now the version is changed as well as the required dependencies are added to our project. This time I am ready with the setup. Now I am creating one class under src main Java. This time I am writing product DAO. com.code by Swami.dao. Finish. On top of the class, I am writing a repository. It is a stereotype annotation. It will convert our normal Java class into Spring Bean. I am writing one constructor here. systrace. Here writing one method public void save sysout product data saved in the database. Just take it like this. Now I am ready with the DAO class. This time I am writing service class, new class, product service, service. Click on finish. Here I am writing service annotation on top of the class to make the normal Java class into Spring Bean. Here I am writing one constructor, systrace. Here I am writing one method public void save product. Here I want to use DAO class in service class. For that, private product DAO @autovoid annotation I am using. Why I am using this annotation? This annotation is mainly used to perform the dependency injection. Yes, I am using this DAO in service class method. I am calling the method save method. This time I am writing configuration class app config. I'm using Java configuration, right? For that I'm writing configuration class. On top of class I'm writing configuration, writing method public. This is product, right? Product DAO. I'm writing bean annotation, return new product DAO. Similarly I'm writing product service also, product service return new product service. On top of method I'm writing bean annotation. Yes, I'm done with configuration file also. This time I'm writing test class to test the application. New class test finish. Main method new annotation config application context app config dot class returns application context dot get bean. Here I'm giving product service dot class returns product service only. Here I'm calling the method using the service object service dot save product. Let's run the application. Control function F11. Yes, here DAO class object has created as well as service object also created. Finally, product data saved in database. As of now, we implemented field injection using variable. We are injecting data. Thank you everyone. If you like my content, please do subscribe.